guys. So it's 3:40 right now. 3:40 in the morning. Getting the truck heated up right now. Waiting on the guys. Gonna be day number 3 out here in Eagle Pass. See how it treats us. So we made it out. We're here at the job site. Sent the guys to go get some fuel because we didn't get everything we needed last night. Got a little late on us. Ended up having a front headlight go out. So we out here, got my lights set up. Fixing to get some fuel moved right now. As soon as I get my JSA ready, the toolbox truck safety meeting done this morning. But yeah, let's see how today treats us. Y'all stay blessed up, stay safe, stay grateful, guys.